Are you a cyclist or spin class enthusiast looking to bring your workout experience into the comfort of your own home? Well, working out at home with the right bike can be an absolute game changer for your fitness journey, and Schwinn, the industry-leading indoor cycling brand, has the perfect solution for you. Today, we're diving deep into a comparison of two stellar indoor cycling bikes, the Schwinn X and Z bikes. So stick around till the end as I'll be sharing which bike reigns supreme for your specific training needs. Let's get started. If you're just tuning in, welcome to our channel. I'm Ahmad with Total Body Experts in Studio Cycles, your premier destination for everything indoor cycling. From the most popular spin bikes to the latest accessories, we delve into the nitty-gritty to help you pedal your way to peak fitness. Want the inside scoop on the finest cycling gear? Hit that subscribe button and ride along with our community. Now, when it comes to high-performance indoor cycling, Schwinn does not play around. The all-new Z bike is their latest and greatest model and the most technologically advanced indoor bike in the market. These models are crafted for those studios aiming to foster a sense of community among their members through a color-unifying theme. It's not just about aesthetics. The Schwinn Z is about optimizing your performance. Here's where it gets interesting. The all-new Zone Console. This component, paired with 4i's top-notch 3D gauge power meter, takes power measurement to a whole new level. You get the most accurate power readings directly from your efforts, making it a reliable indicator of your progress. And with the functional threshold power input, you can set personalized zones and push your training to new heights. Now that's what I call taking control of your ride. Switching gears to the Schwinn X bike. This bike offers a technology-free experience which is ideal for those rhythm-based group cycling studios, as well as home gyms and personal training sessions. The emphasis here is simplicity and getting back to the basics, which is something I can truly appreciate. The Schwinn X provides a raw, unadulterated cycling experience that helps you focus on what's essential, your performance. Now, let's stack these two side by side. The Schwinn Z is your go-to for a tech-savvy, personalized workout experience, while the Schwinn X simplifies your workout with a technology-free setup. Whether you're a tech junkie or a purist, there's something for everyone. If you're into tracking your performance metrics and love the idea of a community-centric cycling experience, the Schwinn Z is up your alley. On the flip side, if you prefer a simple, no-frill cycling session with the focus squarely on your workout, the Schwinn X is your match. Performance metrics are crucial for tracking your progress, and the Schwinn Z excels in this department. The authenticity and reliability of the indicators provided by the Zone Console are unmatched. You're not just getting arbitrary numbers, you're getting a true reflection of your performance, which is invaluable. All right, so which bike takes the crown? It all boils down to your personalized preferences and fitness goals. If you're all about the tech and community, the Schwinn Z is your bike to go with. If simplicity and a focus-driven workout experience resonate with you, the Schwinn X is a solid choice. Ready to elevate your cycling game with the X or Z bike? At Total Body Experts in Studio Cycles, we offer free consultations and the best pricing on Schwinn products nationwide. With us, you can also enjoy the best warranty packages, the lowest shipping cost, and zero interest financing. Not to mention, we have the largest network of service providers in the country with over 50 years of combined experience. Our team of fitness experts is here to help you elevate your fitness journey. So feel free to chat with us on studio-cycles.com, or you can give us a call toll-free at the number below. Your upgraded cycling experience is just a call away. Once again, I'm Ahmad with Studio Cycles. Thanks for checking us out. We'll talk to you soon.